Welcome back to the continuation of our video how to install WordPress locally on our PC using Xampp. So in the previous two videos I taught you how to install Xampp and how to run it, and also how to download and extract WordPress in the folder that I taught you how to create it. Now that we've done these two processes, what is left now is for us to link a database to that of the WordPress that we extracted into the folder. So what you have to do here is to run or start the Xampp. Click on the Xampp control panel. When you come here, start the Apache first. You see the port reading, then you start with the MySQL 2. So if you see these two numbers running, it means the Xampp control panel is active, so you can do whatever that we want now. So from here on the MySQL admin section, just click on that. A window will open for you, so let me wait. Okay, so now that it has opened for us by clicking on the admin attached to the MySQL, you can see in the previous video we created a database and we name it USA. Okay, so let's go to the file that we created. So from the PC, you go to your local disk, then Xampp, you look for htdocs, then the folder that we created here, US. Okay, so we've extracted the WordPress into that. So we are going to link this folder to a database or inside this, okay, this database. Okay, so we are going to link it over here. So all you have to do now is to open a web browser. Okay, a web browser, then you type local host, then / the folder that you created over here. So the folder was US. Okay, so just press enter. Let's wait for it to be connected. So if you do this, or if you follow the steps successfully, this way it will take you to, now it has asked us to select our language, so we choose English. Okay, then click on continue. Now if you link the database, it says welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items. So you make sure you have a database name. So the database name that we created over here, USA, okay, so that we can link it together. Then the password, and so let's click on let's go. Click on that. So what is the database name? Database name was USA. Now the username write root. Okay, just write root. Password to just leave it empty. Then here database host is localhost. Table prefix, leave it as it is. Then click on submit. Now if your steps was right, you should get to this section. Okay, so let's run the installation. We can now run the installation. Let's wait for it to be. Now it has taken us to this section. The WordPress has been installed successfully, but we have to do some little settings over here. So what is the name of your site? So give it any name. So I'll just write tutorial. Okay, so I write tutorial username, I'll just choose Sir Francis 8. Password, choose the password that you want. Here I can show it because this is on my local PC. So here you have Ghana. Then hide it and add to normal to it. Okay, the email too. Just type your email that you want. This one is just meant for tutorial. It's not active email. Then just click on run installation. Let's wait. Okay, so it has installed it on our PC. So you can see that WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Just click on login. It will take you to the dashboard where you can log in. So click on that. It will take you to the dashboard of WordPress. So this is where you can control your WordPress, where you can design your website using WordPress. Okay, so we have successfully installed WordPress on our local PC using Xampp, and from here we can control whatever that we want. We can do whatever that we want, any design that we want. So in the upcoming videos I will teach you some basic settings that we need to do now that we can install it on our PC. Thank you very much for watching. I'm grateful for that. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, leave it or leave them in the comment section. Thank you very much and see you soon.